Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. Today we'll be making another classic French recipe, vanilla flan. This is a very traditional French recipe that you can find in almost any French bakery. So, let's bake! For this recipe, we needed to start by making a vanilla pastry cream. Into a medium pot, add 1 liter of whole milk and 250 grams of cream. We will be using 220 grams of sugar, so add just about 1/4 into the pot and mix it. Bring the milk and cream almost to a boil. Meanwhile, mix 10 yolks or 200 grams with the remaining sugar until combined. Then add 100 grams of cornstarch. Mix until it becomes a smooth and lighter yellow mixture. A cloth underneath to hold it steady helps a lot. Get your hot milk and cream and temper the yolk mixture using a ladle, adding about 2 at a time and whisking very fast so the yolks don't turn into scrambled eggs. When the mixture is warm, keep whisking and then bring it back to medium heat. Cook whisking from the middle to the edges until it gets thick and very creamy. There should be no lumps at all. Strain it. Add 40 grams of vanilla paste or 2 vanilla beans. Stir it nicely. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate until needed. Now I need to make a pâté sucré or sugar dough. It's a very simple French dough used in many French recipes. Add into a mixing bowl 120 grams of butter and 100 grams of icing sugar. Mix at medium to high speed until very creamy. Meanwhile, mix into another bowl 250 grams of pastry flour. I like to use this flour for pie doughs, but you can also use all-purpose flour with 60 grams of potato starch or corn starch. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. When the butter and sugar are very smooth and creamy, add 1 egg and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste or half a vanilla bean. Mix at medium speed until combined. Then add your flour mixture at low speed and mix until the dough comes together. Place your dough over a plastic wrap and make it flat, covering all and refrigerating for 30 minutes. Bring your dough from the fridge and roll it over a flat surface with some flour. Cut the dough in 2 pieces, 1 piece for the bottom and 1 for the sides. Roll the dough thin, about 3 millimeters. Cut a rounded shape for the bottom. And then cut a rectangle and then strips for the sides. Try to make it as even as possible so it will bake evenly. Pinch down the top of the sides using your fingers, making just the top thicker, so when it bakes doesn't burn. If the dough gets too soft, bring it back to the fridge until it gets hard again. Add the vanilla pastry cream over the dough. Using a spatula, make the top nice and even. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until the dough is golden brown and on the top as well. It will puff up and create a brown skin on top. Let it cool down and refrigerate for 1 hour before cutting. Remove it from the ring and cut that very nice slice. You will just see a very nice thin crust with this amazing creamy and smooth flan inside. The tastes of vanilla here are incredible. So guys, this was one more of our French recipe series. In this series, we are bringing just the best French recipes for you to learn and try at home. If there are any recipes you'd like to see here, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.